Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So, in today's POV, the Pleiadians wanted to chat with us a little bit about sovereignty and how we can make sure that we are not accidentally giving up some of our greatest sovereign powers. But before we jump in to talking about sovereignty, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So, what the Pias wanted to talk to us about today was one of our most important powers as humans, and that is to define our reality. This is our greatest power as humans, is that we are creating it all. And you've heard the Pias say this time and time again. It's one of their mantras is to say, it's all you. So we are the ones who define our entire reality. And we do this through our belief structures. But there's one little area where we can get sucked in as humans, where we give this power away. And the way that we can sometimes give up our sovereignty without even realizing it is when we are tuning in to external sources of information. And this is the human way. This is just what we do, right? We are constantly looking outside of ourselves for information. So whether that is jumping on social media to see what people are doing, what people are saying, whether we are turning on the news, if you are someone who still does that, all of these are different ways that we tune into and get our information from external sources. It's what we've been programmed to do our entire lives. But what happens as we do this, as we are taking in sources of external information, is we're giving up our sovereignty. We're giving someone else, whoever we happen to be listening to, the power to define our reality. Because this simple thing happens as humans when we listen to information, we tend to believe it. So if you are listening to a news story or watching videos, we tend to believe what we hear, even if we don't like it, even if we're not quite sure about it. Our human mind is just programmed to believe what it hears, to take it at face value. So what happens as we listen to all these different sources of outside information is we're letting other people define our reality, because the very essence of watching the news is to find out what is happening in the world. Well, guess what? Just because something is happening in someone's world doesn't mean it has to happen in yours. And this is one of the ways that our 3D matrix has operated. This is the backbone of the matrix program, is to tell us what our reality is, hoping that we'll give up our power as sovereign beings and buy into it. This is what has kept the 3D matrix in operation for thousands of years, is we have been trained and conditioned to look to external sources of information. But what happens when we do this is we are buying into someone else's reality. Now, this is not necessarily always a bad thing. I used to have a teacher who would say, don't buy into the illusion unless you like it. Because whatever you are buying into, you're probably making it part of your belief structure. It's just kind of how we operate on default as humans. So when we are listening to stories, we tend to believe them. We tend to believe that these things are actually happening in the world. And we don't actually know that they are. And even if they are happening in someone's world, doesn't mean they are happening in your world. Because remember, the other thing that trips us up here is we tend to fall into thinking that there is a single version of reality. But as ascending beings, we know that that is not the case. We know that there are infinite timelines. So we can see into timelines that we aren't even on. And that means that someone else can be experiencing something that's not even part of your reality. You may be able to see it, but it doesn't mean it's part of your reality. But the more we tune into external sources of information, the more we want to be super careful about how we do this and what sources of information we're giving our attention to, just because of that simple fact that we tend to believe it. And so we want to be very vigilant as awakened beings as to who we are allowing to define our reality. And just the more we are looking at outside sources of information, the more we can slide into buying into lower timelines, because that is what the entire 3D media is all about. Trying to sell you a story of fear, trying to sell you a story that makes you mad. That is what the entire 3D game was based on, and not something we have to worry about. All we want to do is be aware that this is what is happening so we can make a better choice. So, as you start to internalize what the P's are saying today, you may notice that you're less tempted to jump on social media or to turn the TV on. Because as you are watching all of these sources of information, which have their place, we all know that we are going to do this to some extent because it's just how we are as humans. But the P's are just encouraging us to be very aware of what we're giving our attention to and make the conscious decision whether we choose to make that our reality. Because just because someone is saying that something is happening doesn't mean we have to accept that. It doesn't mean that just because the majority of the population is choosing to buy into a particular story that you have to make that your reality. You are sovereign in your reality. You decide what you believe. But here's the thing. Once you buy into it, once you believe it, you own it. It is going to create and manifest in your life. That is how our belief structures are designed. So what the P's are encouraging us to do in today's video is be very aware of this whenever we're giving our attention to outside information and to just make that conscious choice. Is this source of information, whether it is a teacher you are listening to, someone who does videos, a mainstream platform, do you choose to let them dictate your reality? Do you agree with what you're hearing? Because you can always say no, that you do not choose that as your reality. So this is one way that we can take back our sovereignty as beings when we realize just how much we tend to do this as humans. Just kind of without thinking, give away our greatest power. And that is the power to define our reality. Because don't forget, y'all, you always have the free will to choose whether you buy into something. And everyone else on the planet can choose to buy into it, and you don't have to. But once you buy into it, you have made that part of your belief structure. And then it starts to show up in your life. So these are energies right now where we want to reclaim our sovereignty, where we want to just start to consciously remind ourselves that we don't have to buy into something just because someone else is. They can make that their reality, and that is fine. They are the god of their reality as you are the god of yours, which means you get to decide. Just because someone else has made it their truth doesn't mean you have to. So the P's just wanted to remind you how powerful you are, and they are strongly encouraging us to take this power back. We've been very conditioned to give this away. It is the human programming, right? To let other people tell you what is happening. But we give away our greatest power when we do that. So a great way to move forward on this is to just be very aware of this as you are taking in any source of outside information, and then make the conscious decision. Do you agree with this? Because again, you don't have to make it your reality. No matter how much the world is beating us over the head with a particular story, we don't have to buy into it. And that is when we really start to shine and be role models for all of the collective, when we take back our sovereignty. So very, very important topic, something to think about and just make more conscious. It's not to tell us not to listen to sources of information. Of course, we're going to do that, but we want to be very discerning as we do it. We want to be informed shoppers and not just take whatever slop is thrown to us, which is kind of what our culture and society hopes we will do. So let's end that trend, shall we? So that is what the P's wanted to share with us in today's POV. Let me know in the comments, what do you want to know from the P's? Drop that in the comment box. And while you're down there, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.